Can technology help us remember better? How has it changed the way we recall our past? These are questions that have piqued the curiosity of many, including Dr. Hwa A, a globally recognized figure with a unique perspective, born in Asia, educated in the UK and the US, and now working in the heart of technology, Silicon Valley, California. For centuries, humans have grappled with the inconsistencies of memory, using external aids to capture moments in time. From the diaries we've been penning for over 2 millennia, to the personal photographs made possible by George Eastman's inexpensive Brownie camera, every new technology has expanded our capacity to record the world around us. Fast forward to the dawn of the 21st century and the landscape of memory aids has exploded. Our lives are now captured in countless digital fragments: emails, text messages, cell phone photos and videos, GPS traces, and social media updates. And that's just the voluntary stuff. There's also a plethora of surveillance cameras, both government and corporate, recording our every move. The game changer here is that preserving these digital memories requires little to no effort. Unlike those who painstakingly maintained diaries, like the ancient Egyptians who documented the transportation of limestone blocks for the Great Pyramid, we now passively accumulate a vast digital memory without even intending to. Consider the Russian dashboard cams, originally installed to provide evidence in car accidents. They're always recording, and have even caught footage of a meteorite entering the atmosphere. Or take Gmail, a service that encourages us to store everything due to its vast storage capacity. While this may seem user-friendly, it's actually a strategic move by Google to collect more data about our behavior for targeted advertising. However, it's not all about data collection. These digital trails also serve as a reality check for our faulty memory recalls. Our memories are prone to revision, shifting to accommodate changes in our personalities, or what is known as hindsight bias. It's no surprise then that digital evidence is now admissible in court. Yet, as Dr. Lim humorously observes, we still crave the existential pleasure of gently rewriting our history. After all, who doesn't enjoy a little embellishment in their autobiography? So, as we journey through the digital age, let's remember that while technology can aid in our memory recall, it's the human touch that makes our memories truly meaningful.